Welcome to my channel, Sacred Intuition, and now we are going to try something new. First we are going to get a card, and this will be the main theme. Then we'll have a look at what happened in the past regarding that, whatever is coming out. Then what is increasing. Then we're getting an advice, and then we'll see the result, and we'll try to get like a timing card as well. Okay, let's see. So what is the main theme? Commitment. Okay, the main theme is around commitments. Okay, so it could be about a marriage, it could be about a commitment to tie yourself to someone. It could be a relationship, it could be connection, it could be contracts, it could be something that is repeating. It could be also a repeating cycle if it's not a commitment. And let's see. Okay, so what happened here in the past? What is the influence from the past? Oh, there are two cards. Okay, we have the bear and the moon. The bear and the moon. That is the past. So that is funny because the bear itself is talking about the past. 1 for 4 at the timer. It is about fighting for something, or actually showing your claws. Something that requires strength. And the moon talks about hidden emotions, the subconscious, but it also talks about attraction, the psyche, but also our wishes and desires. So maybe something significant happened like in the last month, or in this month, 222 and on the timer. It also talks about your intuition, and the moon, obviously, it's feminine energy. And it talks about a burden. So this could be a fear around commitment. Okay, let's see. So what is coming? What is like the future energy? What's coming? One card, please. What's coming? What's 2? And I don't like this energy because it's the mice and it's the open book. So the book itself talks about secrets, but it's an open book. So, oh, someone is going to open up about their fears. Okay, now that's actually interesting. Then that is not that bad. So some kind of secret is slowing something down, but still also in the future. So let's see. What's your advice? What should you do next? What's the advice? Oh, finally one card. The Hand. And it talks about, either reaching out your hand, but it's also about taking responsibility. And it's also about letting go. But it can also talk about guilt, like a guilty conscience and chaos. So what I'm feeling here is that someone, obviously it's about a commitment, right? And it's also about a cycle repeat. And someone in the past held back and kept the control, or let their fears control them. Now it's funny because equally as well as in the past, we have the moon for fears. We also have the fears in the future. So, in the future, this person is going to open up about their fears. And there is actually a likely chance that they're freeing themselves also, or maybe you are freeing yourself from the fear. Sorry, it's very loud. Or you are actually coming to a conclusion, or you're being asked to come to a conclusion. But I feel like more it's like your counterpart that we're tapping into. And I feel like they are actually reaching a conclusion, okay? Because they have been feeling guilty, because they have gotten the clarity. Maybe it was also a closed book to them. Maybe they couldn't tap into their feelings. Maybe they didn't understand why they were doing the things they were doing. But now it has become blatantly obvious to them. Like the cat is staring at those mice, be like, ah, those are the ones who are in my house. Yep. Gnawing away. Wow. And look, the new beginning. So, what is going to be the end result of it? What is the final, future of it all? How is this going to come together? Ooh, the sky. So it could be that something is being cut out. And again, 7 years. I saw 7 years, yeah. Commitment. It might be that someone is going to end a commitment. Yeah, I don't like this. It could be that like a friendship is being cut out. Okay, so how is this? Like one timing card. What would be the timing around this? And this is going to happen in the next 5 weeks. But you know what's weird is that I see the heart and the cross. This is a destined love. Let me have a look. Oh, okay. You know what? No, I misinterpreted it. I mean, for some of you, it might be true that you're cutting out this connection and you are saying, okay, enough is enough. For others of you, the sky and the dog actually, especially with the hand here as well, with the advice, this person is actually being guided to reach out to you. And this is going to be coming very suddenly. And I feel like they're going to open up about a topic, like an issue, a trauma, that really affected them. And this will also explain why they also in the future will have still some fear about opening up, but also why they held back in the past when it came to commitments, okay? And they're going to reach out very suddenly and very unexpectedly to you. And they're going to ask you for advice. They're going to ask you for support because you're the one that they trust. And this is going to happen in the next 5 weeks, okay? From the moment that you're seeing this reading, this message, it will be for the next 5 weeks. And by the way, the hand, 5 days, 5 weeks. And something here has been ongoing for 7 years. Where did I also see 7 years? I saw 7 years somewhere else. Oh, I put it away. I think I didn't take it out. But somewhere it also said 7 years. And I was like, what? What a coincidence. Oh, from the 7th year. Maybe something happened to this person when they were 7 years old. Or something significant took place 7 years ago. Maybe around a past commitment. Yeah, well, that is interesting. I'm not sure whether I'm enjoying this kind of style. I think I'll have to figure out my own way. Yeah, but you know what? I'm sending you lots of positivity. Get ready, because I do think this person is going to open up to you, and I think it's going to shock you, because this is not something that you would expect. Not at all. And I think it will be also quite a challenge for you, because this is not going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? Just, yeah, anything else that we need to know here? Look at this. No, you cannot make this up. It's the heart. It's the fish, which is also about the soul, but it's also the deep love, something that is in flow. And it's the message. Someone is going to communicate their hidden feelings for you. It was 11:44. Something between the next 6 to 9 days is going to be also very significant. Maybe also the 27th or 24th. Or the 7th is significant. And there is again a 7-year time frame. That is crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it right here. You're definitely going to, yeah, this guy is not actually cutting it out. This person is going to open up emotionally to you. Be careful, because I think this is a very sensitive issue that this person is going to open up towards you. And if you don't feel like you can handle it, please tell this person. And if they still choose to tell you, do not ever use it against them. Ever. No matter how hurt, no matter how angry you are, okay? Please do me this favor. Because this is going to be something that is probably going to rock your world. Because I don't think that is an easy thing for this person to do. And you can consider yourself very lucky that this person actually trusts you. Because I don't think this is a person that trusts a lot of people. Okay? Therefore, take good care and stay positive. Until next time, bye-bye.